I spent 7 months testing every popular drone business model: real estate, construction, weddings, agriculture, inspections, mapping, and content creation. I tracked every single dollar earned and every hour worked. The winner, not what anyone would expect. And the one everyone recommends as easy money, dead last in profitability. In the next 20 minutes, I'm revealing the exact revenue, time investment, and profit per hour for each model. Plus, I'll show you the actual booking calendars, invoices, and behind-the-scenes footage from every single one. Stay until the end because I'll tell you which model I'm sticking with and why. I'm a Part 107 certified pilot with 3 years of experience. For this experiment, I committed 1 month to each business model, giving it my full effort. Same marketing approach, same level of professionalism, same equipment. The goal? Find out which model actually delivers the best combination of revenue, lifestyle, and growth potential. Not just theory or other people's results, my actual data. Note, results will vary by market, skill level, and effort. Your experience may differ. Here's how they ranked from worst to best. And before you skip ahead, watch the whole thing, because the what-why behind each ranking is more important than the ranking itself. Ranking preview: number 7, wedding videography. Number 6, social media content creation. Number 5, real estate photography. Number 4, agricultural services. Number 3, mapping and surveying. Number 2, roof and infrastructure inspection. Number 1, construction progress monitoring. Let's start at the bottom and work our way up. Coming in at number 7, wedding videography. And let me tell you, this surprised me too. Here's what 1 month looked like. Weddings booked 4, average price per wedding $650. Total revenue $2,600. Hours worked 52 hours, including travel, ceremony, and editing. Profit per hour $50. Why it ranked last? First, the pressure is insane. You get 1 shot at the ceremony, no do-overs. If you mess up the vows or the first kiss, that couple's memories are ruined forever. That stress isn't worth $650. Second, weddings are almost exclusively weekends. That means your earning potential is capped at 8 to 9 days per month maximum. Third, weather dependency. Outdoor weddings get postponed, you lose bookings, and couples are stressed, which makes you stressed. Fourth, massive competition. Every new drone pilot thinks weddings are easy money, so pricing is driven into the ground. The reality? For $650, couples expect cinematic masterpieces. You're spending 6 to 8 hours on wedding day, plus 4 to 6 hours editing. That's 10 to 14 hours total for $650, or $46 to $65 per hour before expenses. The one positive? If you do it well, the emotional value is high and reviews are glowing. But for me, the stress-to-pay ratio didn't work. Moving up to number 6. At number 6, creating content for businesses' social media. 1 month results. Clients booked 6 local businesses. Average price per client, $400 for 5 to 8 clips. Total revenue, $2,400. Hours worked, 48 hours. Profit per hour, $50. Why it ranked at number 6. The problem? Educating clients. Most small businesses don't understand what good drone content looks like or how to use it. You spend hours explaining why they need it, then more hours dealing with revision requests. Plus, proving ROI is tough. Unlike real estate where a drone video helps sell a house, social media content ROI is fuzzy. Did those 3 drone clips actually bring in customers? Hard to prove. Payment issues were common. Small businesses often have tight cash flow, so getting paid on time was a hassle. The worst part? Scope creep. You quote $400 for 5 clips. They want just 1 more shot of this, just a quick video of that. Before you know it, you've done double the work for the same price. The upside? If you create evergreen content, clients sometimes come back monthly. I had 2 clients sign up for monthly packages at $300 per month, which helped. But overall, $50 per hour with high hassle factor equals not sustainable long-term. Number 5, real estate photography. This is the one everyone says to start with. 1 month of real estate, property shot, 18. Average price, $350. Total revenue, $6,300. Hours worked, 72 hours, including shoot, editing, and travel. Profit per hour, $87.50. Why it ranked number 5, real estate can be good money. But here's the reality. You're driving a lot. I average 35 minutes between properties. That's over 10 hours of drive time in the month that I'm not getting paid for. The market is saturated. In my city, there are 40+ drone pilots doing real estate. Some charge $200, some charge $600. It's a race to the bottom unless you differentiate. Seasonal dependency is real. Real estate slows down in winter in most markets. My test month was in spring when the market was hot. Winter would be much slower. Working with real estate agents can be amazing or frustrating. Some are professional and pay on time. Others cancel last minute, change shoot times constantly, and negotiate on price. The major upside? If you find 3 to 5 good agents who list constantly, you can build predictable income. I had one agent who booked me for 6 properties in the month alone. Another positive, quick turnaround. Shoot for 20 to 30 minutes, edit for 1 to 2 hours, deliver same day or next day. Fast money if you're efficient, but at $87.50 per hour with heavy competition and market dependency, it's middle of the pack. Now we're getting into the top 4. This is where things get interesting. At number 4, agricultural drone services. This one requires specialized equipment. Agriculture month results. Farm serviced, 8. Average project value, $900. Total revenue, $7,200. Hours worked, 58 hours. Profit per hour, $124. Why it ranked number 4? First, the barrier to entry. I had to rent specialized agricultural drones and get additional certifications. That cut into profits this month, but it's a one-time investment. Seasonality is extreme. Spring and summer are busy. Fall has some work. Winter is dead. You're essentially running a 6 to 8 month business. Geographic limitations matter. Farms are spread out. I drove 90 minutes to some jobs. That's 3 hours round trip for a 1-hour job. But here's where it gets good. Farmers who see the value become loyal clients. I had one farmer book me for 3 different services in the month: crop monitoring, irrigation assessment, and yield prediction. The rates are strong because you're providing real ROI. A $900 crop analysis can save a farmer $10,000 in wasted fertilizer or identify problems early. Best part, monthly recurring potential. Farmers need regular monitoring during growing season. 3 of my 8 clients asked about monthly packages. At $124 per hour, this would be top tier if it wasn't so seasonal. If you can stack this with another model in off-season, it's incredibly profitable. Top 3 is where we cross into serious professional territory. Bronze medal goes to mapping and surveying services. Mapping month performance, projects completed, 5. Average project value, $1,800. Total revenue, $9,000. Hours worked, 62 hours. Profit per hour, $145. Why it ranked number 3. This requires serious technical knowledge. You need to understand photogrammetry, GIS software, and coordinate systems. That's a barrier to entry, which means less competition. The clients are professional, engineers, architects, surveyors, construction companies. They have budgets, they pay on time, and they value accuracy over price. The deliverables are complex but valuable. A 3D site model or orthomosaic map provides massive value. One client told me my $2,000 survey saved them $15,000 in engineering time. Recurring work is common. Construction sites need monthly progress maps. I had one project that wanted bi-weekly updates at $1,200 each. The downside? Steep learning curve. I spent weeks learning the software before I felt confident bidding projects. And you need more expensive equipment with RDK capabilities. Processing time is significant. Flight might be 45 minutes, but processing the data can take 3 to 6 hours depending on area size and required detail. But at $145 per hour with professional clients and high barriers to entry, this is solid. If you enjoy technical work, this could be your winner. We're down to the final two, and they're both in the inspection category. Silver medal, roof and infrastructure inspection services. Inspection month results. Inspections completed, 12. Average price, $1,100. Total revenue, $13,200. Hours worked, 68 hours. Profit per hour, $194. Why it ranked number 2? The value proposition is crystal clear. Traditional roof inspection requires a person climbing a ladder, potential safety hazards, and significant time. Drone inspection is safer, faster, and often more thorough. Thermal imaging adds incredible value. I found roof leaks, insulation problems, and electrical issues that weren't visible to the naked eye. Clients were blown away. The clients are all B2B, roofing companies, insurance adjusters, property management firms, home inspectors. They have established businesses and pay professionally. Partnership potential is huge. I connected with 3 roofing companies who now send me all their inspection requests. They white label my services and mark them up. Year-round demand. Roofs need inspection in every season. No winter slowdown like real estate or agriculture. Deliverables are straightforward. Photos, thermal imaging, and a simple report. No complex processing like mapping. The barrier? You need thermal imaging capability, which means either a specialized drone or thermal camera attachment. That's $3,000 to $10,000 depending on quality. But the efficiency is amazing. 30 to 45-minute inspection, 2 to 3 hours processing and reporting, deliver same day. I did 3 inspections in one day multiple times. At $194 per hour with year-round demand and simple operations, this was a strong contender for number 1. But there's one model that beat it. The winner, and it's not even close. Construction progress monitoring. Construction month results. Construction sites. 4 sites on monthly contracts. Average monthly contract, $3,750 per site. Total revenue, $15,000. Hours worked, 52 hours. Profit per hour, $288. Why it won? Recurring revenue. This is the game changer. Real estate is one and done. Weddings are one time. Construction monitoring is monthly recurring contracts. I signed 4 construction companies to monthly contracts. Every month, I fly the same sites, deliver progress reports, and get paid. No hunting for new clients constantly. Predictable schedule. I knew every Monday I'd fly Site A, Tuesday Site B, and so on. This allowed me to batch work efficiently and even hire help. The deliverables are consistent. Each month, aerial photos from set angles, progress comparison with previous month, annotated issues. Template-based, efficient. The value is undeniable. Construction managers use my reports in client meetings for stakeholder updates and to catch problems early. One client said my $3,750 per month service saves them $10,000 plus monthly in-site visits. Contract length is significant. Construction projects run 6 to 24 months. Once you sign a client, you have guaranteed income for the project duration. Scalability is incredible. As I got more efficient, I realized one pilot could handle 8 to 10 sites monthly. That's $30,000 to $40,000 monthly revenue potential per pilot. The clients are top tier. General contractors, developers, project management firms, big budgets, professional operations, prompt payment. The barrier to entry, this isn't consumer facing. You need professional sales skills. You need to understand construction, and you need to deliver consistency. That filters out casual pilots. Weather flexibility built in. If weather is bad on Monday, I reschedule to Tuesday. Clients understand and accommodate. The winning formula: recurring revenue plus high rates plus professional clients plus efficient operations plus scalability equals clear winner. At $288 per hour with predictable income, this is the model I'm sticking with. Let's look at all 7 side by side. Here are the complete results. Number 7, weddings. $2,600 revenue, 52 hours worked, $50 per hour. Number 6, social media. $2,400 revenue, 48 hours worked, $50 per hour. Number 5, real estate. $6,300 revenue, 72 hours work, $87.50 per hour. Number 4, agriculture, $7,200 revenue, 58 hours worked, $124 per hour. Number 3, mapping, $9,000 revenue, 62 hours worked, $145 per hour. Number 2, inspection, $13,200 revenue, 68 hours worked, $194 per hour. Number 1, construction, $15,000 revenue, 52 hours worked, $288 per hour. The insights. Revenue ranged from $2,400 to $15,000, a 6 times difference. Hours worked were similar, 48 to 72 hours, but profit per hour ranged from $50 to $288, nearly 6 times difference. The real differentiator? Recurring revenue. The top 3 all had recurring client potential. The bottom 4 were mostly one-time transactions. So what should you do with this information? If you're just starting, start with real estate number 5. It's accessible, teaches you business fundamentals, and builds your portfolio. Then transition to a higher paying model. If you want lifestyle business, inspections, number 2, offer great income with reasonable hours. You can stay solo and make $10,000 to $15,000 per month. If you want to build big, construction, number 1, has the highest scaling potential. Build a team of pilots, service 20 to 30 sites, and you're looking at $100,000 plus per month revenue. Your market matters. If you're in farm country, agriculture might be your number 1. In a beach town, real estate could dominate. Do your research. Your skills matter. If you're technical, mapping might be your winner. If you're sales-oriented, construction could be perfect. Consider hybrid models. Inspections plus construction, real estate plus social media, stack complementary services. I've created a complete business model comparison spreadsheet with all my numbers, formulas to calculate your own potential, and a decision framework to choose your best path. Download it free in the description. Comment below with which model you're pursuing and why. I'll respond to every single comment with personalized advice. Hit that subscribe button because next week I'm breaking down my exact sales process for landing construction monitoring contracts. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.